Need minutes fast? Use a refill pin. You can buy these physical or digital cards from retailers like Walmart, Dollar General, or online. Each pin is a unique code that adds a specific amount of minutes to your AirTalk Wireless account. To redeem, simply enter the PIN in the AirTalk app on the AirTalk website or text it to 611611. Remember, PINs expire after 1 year if unused, and minutes are valid for 90 days. Always check your balance afterward to confirm the minutes were added correctly. For hassle-free refills, set up autopay through the AirTalk portal. Link a debit card, bank account, or apps like PayPal. Choose a recurring refill amount and minimum balance threshold. For example, set it to refill $20 every 30 days when your balance drops below $5. This ensures uninterrupted service. You can pause or cancel autopay anytime. While there may be a small transaction fee, autopay is linked to plans like the $35 a month unlimited talk and text. Keep track of your usage by checking your balance by dialing 777 using the AirTalk app or texting BAL to 611611.